Hey YouTube, this is Jay and I'm just doing this quick video for someone that I've been going back and forth on YouTube. Any comments going over how I find the settings and some of the settings for the Larry Connors RSI2. So this is the pound dollar that I've been doing some testing on, and you can see this is all the optimization tests that we run. It was about 4,000 tests that came out positive. And what I do at that point in time is I would sort it by profitable, or you could sort it by drawdown. So we sorted by profitability, and then you could just go import the settings and you could see what the settings are. So this is just to give you a heads up on what the actual settings would be. So this is the RSI period of 6 with a high level of 58 and a low level of 41. The ATR period is 23 and the stop loss is 1 ATR. Alright. So this is based on 1% of 1 ATR. Remember, this is multiple positions taken at once. And what we could do is, using that settings now from 2019 to 2022, we could just run a test and it will just run through the test really quick. You could see the balance growing here. Now this is starting with a $10,000 account, and I would show you what the equity curve looks like. So I build this UI here just to kind of help me to keep track of everything. So this is what the curve looks like from 2019 to current. I know the last video I posted some settings, but I started to push the optimization a bit more. So you could see we went from 10 grand basically to $417,000 in a 4-year period. That is over 4,000% return. We have a max drawdown at 21%. Alright, so this is 21% of the final balance. With a profit factor 2.23, and profitable trades are almost 72%. So yeah, this is how I find the best settings to use. And then this is just the pound dollar. I would run an optimization for gold and different currency pairs to find out what is the best settings for that particular pair, because each pair actually reacts differently to the market. So I would create a set file for each individual pair based on, you know, sorting through this. So even though this is the top profitability, I may not even choose this. I might go with something that the drawdown is a bit less, because it's best you have less drawdown and I could spread it over multiple pairs, and you know, that might work out better. So yeah, and then just create a set file for each symbol, so you could actually load that particular set file for that symbol on the chart and set it to trade. So yeah, there you have it. This is how I actually find my settings for the robots, and yeah, there you have it. Alright, that's it for now. See you in the next video.